everyone, welcome back to another video by SmartPath Tutoring. This video is on GCSE physics, specifically on images and ray diagrams. Lenses can produce real and virtual images. Real images. A real image is formed when light rays actually meet. The image can be projected onto a screen, and a real image is usually inverted or upside down. Virtual images, however, are formed when light rays do not actually meet, but appear to come from the same point. The image cannot be projected onto a screen. It appears to be behind the lens or mirror. Mirror example. When you look in a mirror, you see a virtual image because the image appears to be behind the mirror, even though no light is actually coming from there. Lens can produce real and virtual images. Magnifying glass. A magnifying glass is a convex lens. When an object is placed close to the lens, it produces a virtual, upright, or magnified, larger image. Describing an image. When describing an image, always state these key words: size larger, smaller, same size, orient to upright, inverted, type real, and virtual. Drawing a ray diagram for an image through a convex lens. This is the steps. Step 1. Choose a point on the top of the object. Draw a ray from the object to the center of the lens. Step 2 is draw another ray from the top of the object parallel to the principal axis. Step 3 is after passing through the lens, this ray is refracted through the principal focus, F, on the opposite side. Step 4 is the ray passing through the center of the lens continues in a straight line. Step 5 is where the rays meet is at the top of the image. Step 6, repeat the process for the bottom of the object if needed. If the bottom of the object lies on the principal axis, then the bottom of the image will also lie on the principal axis. Another exam tip is that you can also draw a third ray that passes through the principal focus before reaching the lens. After refraction, it leaves the lens parallel to the principal axis. However, 2 rays are enough to locate the image. Distance from the lens affects the image. Object at 2F. If the object is placed at 2F, the image is real. It's inverted. The image is the same size as the object. The image forms at 2F on the opposite side of the lens. The object, number 2, object between F and 2F. So if the object is placed between F and 2F, the image is real. The image is inverted. The image is larger, meaning it's magnified, and the image forms beyond 2F. Number 3, object inside F, nearer than F. So if the object is placed closer to the lens than the focal length inside F, the image is therefore virtual, it's upright, the image is magnified, and the image appears on the same side of the lens as the object. Key facts to remember. Real images, light rays meet, can be projected onto a screen and usually inverted. Virtual images, rays only appear to meet, cannot be projected onto a screen and usually upright. A magnifying glass is a convex lens that produces a virtual, upright, magnified image when the object is inside the focal length. To describe any image, always mention the size, the orientation, and whether it's real or virtual. Exam tips include: learn the 3 common object positions, which is at 2F, between F and 2F, and inside F. Remember that real images are inverted, virtual images are upright, only real images can be projected onto a screen, and in ray diagrams, 2 correctly drawn rays are enough to find the image position. And that's the end of the video. I hope that you all enjoyed.